All right, today we're gonna bring a camera, a security camera. Right now, currently, we have 3 activated right now. So the system comes with everything that's needed. Wireless cameras, but you do require power. They have a 12-volt connection. Now, the system's available with 4 cameras, this one, but they have different various systems that you can do even up to, you can even add double the capacity of cameras on these. They come with floodlights, if you guys can see. They have AI tracking. That means that facial recognition is going to recognize either a dog or a cat or human, and it will distinguish. Now, you have notifications because there is an app along with the system that you can include. All right, if you guys can see right now, currently, this is one camera that we have out here right now. We're setting up on our shop, all right? We're gonna have 4 different cameras in different locations. 1 outdoors, 1 indoors, and everywhere else. As long as you have power, you could run them in there. Just make sure if you are gonna put them outdoors that you do have this cover. So here we're putting 1 camera here. As you can see, there's 1 camera too, and the one outside. We're gonna walk over because this is a large shop, all right? We wanna be able to document all this stuff. Here, we have actually a kitchen here for the workers. And on here, we do have another camera, which is right above here. And this is gonna face pretty much this area here. And then we have another one that's gonna be able to capture the entire area here, which is this camera here. Of course, our cabling is not the best right now, but it's not about the cabling, it's about the capturing. And this is where all the employees are gonna be working out of mostly, right? So this is the place that we wanna keep an eye on and make sure that our tools and our fabrication goes on time. So that's why it's necessary to have these cameras remotely. You could remote from anywhere with your iPhone, your Droid. Everything's included in here, including these outdoors, like I said, outdoor graded. The cameras are one of the best things I like about it because, like I said, 2 different ways. If you want to be able to control, I'm going to show you some of the features that you can do on the actual unit system. All right. Currently, we have 3 systems on. All right, and like I said, they're not pushed, all right, at all. And this one right here, if you guys can see, we're going to go and see this one. You can make them full screen if you want. You can control it from here. You are going to require the username and password, so we're going to log into here. And here, from here, you're able to control the camera pretty much. There is a delay because they're wireless right now. Just a small little delay, but you can actually see the camera working. And there it is. This is one of our inside shots. We're gonna go back out. But this one right now, for example, this one right here, we could zoom in a little bit on the actual features. Scroll with mouse, zoom. Okay, so it's telling you that the mouse, you can actually do that. So we're gonna hit okay. And there it is. Zoom in with the mouse. Look at that. You can zoom out. So from here, you could zoom in, but it's only zooming into the picture itself. From here, playback, you could go back into the camera that you want, and you could set up select the date that you want and the time, because there is some features in here that you can do. Select the date and time, and you could go back into the playback, and then or AI playback. AI playback means that it's going to capture on its own, and it tells you some of the events. So this is when we're installing the camera. It shows you all the features and everything. So as you can see, any movement, it tells you there's a human movement in there. So it actually starts recording because it has an AI built filter. Now this thing here, you have to activate the AI to start tracking you, right? And everywhere you move, the actual system's gonna track you. You do need the app. If you can see, Ease Cloud is coming up. That's the one that we have. All right, as you can see, we have the same mimicking, the same thing, and it mimics humans. There's humans controlling it, all right? So we're gonna go into one of them. If you see, double click on it, it goes into the actual unit. From here, you could remote into it. You could talk, take pictures, record, full screen, and then the SD card. Of course, you could go back to album because it's saving to a drive. You're able to actually save everything to the 1 terabyte we have in here, and you could play it back. Now, they do sell cloud services if you have a camera remotely that you need to connect to. Same features that you have in the actual system, you're gonna have here.
So today we're here at my cabinet shopping. We got these cameras because I want to keep an eye on my equipment, materials, stuff like that. And I can watch from the screen, or I can watch it remotely from my phone.